Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe with ERA American Suncoast Realty. Today I am touring this gorgeous waterfront home. It's located in Pretty Springs. It has access to the Crystal River and the Gulf. We are nearby Three Sisters Springs here, which is world famous for the West Indian manatee. You can often see manatees from your backyard. It's just a wonderful home. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a 1 carport here and a seawall and a floating dock. It's listed for $395,000. So if you are interested in this property, give me a call at 352-507-5675 and come and take a tour with me. Thanks for joining me on this tour. Again, if you would like more information about this property, give me a call at 352-507-5675. Have a good one.